Welcome to our Introduction to Spreadsheets series. The first thing that you want to have in mind when using spreadsheets is what your specific needs are, which will determine what software is best for you. Because of the wide array of things that you can do with spreadsheets, this will vary greatly from person to person. The first program we're looking at here is Google Sheets, which is represented by this symbol, and you get to it from this menu when you're signed into a Google account. And here again is the Google Sheets symbol. We'll come back to that soon. Next, what we're looking at is Microsoft's Excel, one of the more commonly known spreadsheet programs. And the symbol up here, which is this symbol enlarged, is what you'll see for Excel. And then the last program we'll be looking at today is Apple's Numbers, specifically for Macs. So first, let's talk about Excel because it's the oldest and most known of the three. If you are in a corporate environment, you most likely have to use Excel because most companies are still using it as the foundation for all of their spreadsheet data. So if that's your environment, there's really no way to get around that. But on the other hand, it is also the software with the most capabilities and most complexities, giving it a reason to be the go-to software for corporations. If you are in such an environment, most likely you already have access to Excel and all its properties. But if this is still the right software for your needs and you are not in a corporate environment, you can still use most of the features for free online just by having a Microsoft account. And that is what we're looking at here. As you can see, Go Premium is an option, but I've just logged into Excel on a browser, or logged into my Microsoft account on a browser, and now I have access to Excel. And as you can see, we're opening up a blank workbook, and this is what the general layout looks like once you're actually inside a spreadsheet. You can also purchase the downloadable version or a subscription to Microsoft Office, which would include Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, things like that. There's various options, but like I said, you can access most features for free just with a Microsoft account. The second option we're going to be looking at is Google Sheets. Google Sheets does a great job of trying to implement everything that Excel implements while giving you the software essentially for free. And the only reason I say it's not completely free is because you need to have a Google account to access Google Sheets in the Google Drive, which means that you are giving Google rights to your information, which we have all learned recently has great value in and of itself. What makes Google Sheets unique and separates itself from other softwares is the smooth integration with Google Drive and Google Suite features. As you can see, the Google Sheets layout is very similar to the Microsoft Excel layout. But some of those unique features, like saving files as you work on them continuously, as you can see here, as well as having a cloud storage space to keep all of the document files, which is the Google Drive. So it keeps your Excel files, your Google Docs files, and it gives you free storage, which you can obviously pay for more of, and it also makes it very easy to share with others. This is really a great resource, especially when you take into account the ability to have multiple people working on it or viewing the same file in real time. Sending, sharing, and working on files with other Google account users or other members of your Google Suite is all made extremely easy and smooth. So if you already utilize the features that come with the Google account or work with Google Suites, then Google Sheets is right for you. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at Numbers. Numbers is Apple's version of spreadsheet software. It is the most unique of the three options we've been discussing. This can be both a good thing and a bad thing, but that all depends on what you're using spreadsheet software for. If you are doing database-sized spreadsheet work, Numbers simply won't be able to fulfill your needs. It does not have the capacity to work with seemingly endless amounts of data, such as Excel and Sheets. However, Numbers is by far the most aesthetically pleasing and has the most visual options available. The program does a lot of the formatting for you and has a wide variety of templates to choose from and lots of customization options. As you can see here, there's lots of templates to start with, all very neatly and very clearly showing their data. Numbers is also the best program at integrating text into spreadsheets, especially in terms of displaying the information from the spreadsheets in different formats. Here's just one example of that. Trying to find the right program to use for any need can be daunting with how many choices we have today. But an individual's needs should always determine which one to choose. We at the SDM Foundation are happy to answer your questions about such things or figure out what software best suits your needs. Go to our website, www.sdmfoundation.net, to learn more and to find out how to contact us, find more educational videos, blog posts, and to see what we're doing to help the community right now.